ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
This is Beam DTV, a commercial television network owned and operated by Broadcast Enterprises and Affiliated Media Incorporated, with transmitting station authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission. DWKC DTV, Channel 31, Metro Manila, with NTC permit number BSD 0055-2025. Valid until March 16, 2028, with transmitter located at Barangay Santa Cruz, Antipolo City. All programs are simulcast on Beam and affiliate DTV stations nationwide. Beam TV stations: DWHB DTV, Channel 26, located at Mount Santo Tomas, Tuba, Benguet. DWHC DTV, Channel 32, located at Barangay Triangulo, Naga City. DYRM DTV, Channel 26, located at Barangay Tamburong, San Lorenzo, Guimaras. DYCT DTV, Channel 31, located at Babaguan Hill, Cebu City. DXKC DTV, Channel 31, located at Shrine Hills, Matina, Davao City. DXBE DTV, Channel 31, located at Mount Kabatangan, Zamboanga City. Affiliated stations: DWAG DTV, Channel 36, located at Mount Banoy, Batangas City. DXAH DTV, Channel 51, located at General Santos City. Beam DTV Network operates under the supervision of the following electronics and communications engineers duly licensed by the Professional Regulations Commission. Engineer Oliver Q. Caldetera, PECE number 1312. Engineer Herbert E. Alo, ECE number 44171. Engineer Michael Angelo A. Flores, ECE number 48715, and carried out by the following first-class radio operators duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Edgar Alan A. Ramos, 12-1PHN-26519. Jorel D. Muniz, 23-1PHN-27161. Beam TV is now signing on. All programs shown on this network have been approved by the Movies and Television Review and Classification Board.
Unang beses kong napanood ang Knowledge Channel, tuwang-tuwa ako. Yung mga litrato sa libro sa school, gumagalaw sa TV. Kaya, mas naiintindihan ko. Sana, marami pang mga bata ang makapanood ng Knowledge Channel para sabay-sabay kaming matuto.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Muling nagbabalik ang Kada Tropa sa isa na namang kapanapanabik na